So hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the hiccups. Dang it. Yeah, as you can see, I have them now. So when I found out I had them, I just decided to make this video, and today I'm gonna show you. And people say a lot of the other ways don't work, so here's the way that I came up with it for you guys. And so all you're gonna need is some ice cold water, and what you do is you hold your right earlobe down when you're drinking the water. And after that, I hold my breath and put my head down for like 15 seconds, and usually drink the water while holding your right earlobe down for like 10. If you can't, just do it for like 5. Then I'll try it out and as you can see, I do have them. So I'll show you them and I'll see how it works. So to speak. But so I don't know if you guys can see me or what, but I'm gonna do it now. No. I'm just gonna put my head down and hold my breath. And as you guys can see, my hiccups are gone. They're not, like, there's no stopping in my sentences. And I'll see it for guys about stuff. Wow. And you're not gonna hear it interrupt me, I hope. Yeah. So, I'm gonna do some videos about my pit bull, my Maltese, and a little cool facts about them. And because people think pit bulls are bad, and I'll just show you some stuff on it. And so, back to the topic. As you can see, my hiccups are gone. I don't have the hiccups anymore. And hope this was helpful. Sorry if it didn't help, and sorry for wasting your time. And I hope you have a very good day. And please subscribe and comment if there's any other ways that helped you. And have a good day.